What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and I'm returning with another banger. We are going to be making a simple yet delicious baked salmon that takes no time, takes no effort, but is sure to knock your socks off. Let's not waste any time and let's get into it. All right, so we are going to begin with about 2 pounds of salmon. You're going to go ahead and drizzle a little bit of oil on these bad boys and give them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. You're gonna flip it over, do the same thing on the other side, and once that's taken care of, you know we gotta season it up proper. On the screen I have displayed everything you need to do so, and of course it will be down below in the description box for you to reference to, along with the rest of the ingredients. So go ahead and season that salmon like your life depends on it. Make sure it is well coated up, just like so. At this point, you go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And once you have both sides of your salmon well seasoned up, I will show you what to do next. So you're gonna go ahead and grab a baking pan and you're gonna line it with a bunch of lemon slices. These slices are gonna act like a bed for your salmon, and they're gonna provide a wonderful aroma and flavor to your salmon, baby. Please believe it. And once you have that taken care of, go ahead and drop your salmon right on in. Like I said, we have our oven already at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake these uncovered for about 15 minutes. And after that time is up, you do wanna set your oven on broil, a low broil if you have it, and let it go just for about a minute or two until they are golden brown. Do not let your eye off your salmon when it is on broil, because it will burn. Trust and believe that, okay? But yes, this is the end result right here. These were absolutely amazing. You can serve this with so many sides. The options are endless. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Once you do, double back and let me know how you love it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Deuces.